Kasakai Platan. What's going on, guys? Welcome. As you can read the heading, we have a very special live session in store for you today. I'm just going to wait for a couple of seconds for you guys to flood in and then we shall start. How's it going, guys? Hope you guys are staying home, staying safe. I know these are trying and testing times, but together we will get through it all. Now, I think we have enough. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Mumbai Indian fans from all over the world, Kasakai Platan. I'm your host with the most, Chinmay Sharma, aka Scuba Chinu, and welcome to the Mumbai Indians Instagram page. Now, guys, हाल ही में मुझे पता चला, आप सबको भी पता चला होगा कि the IPL is coming back at the end of the year. I couldn't control myself. I was bouncing from wall to wall. So the good people at the Mumbai Indians management team said, why are you enjoying alone? We'll give you a superstar. Get him on and talk about this and lots more. So without further ado, let's bring on our superstar southpaw, Ishan Kishan. अच्छा, आप लोग ताली बजाते रहो. I will just accept his invite. I hope he sent one. Ishan, I see you. Yes, there you are. Also, my dad, he's got such a cool display picture, man, with a cool yellow hoodie. Come on, buddy. Come on, we're waiting for you. Hope you guys are doing well as well. We'll take a few seconds to have Ishan on and then we can begin. I've just sent him a request. Ishan, if you're watching, please accept the invite. I will just see if I have... Yes, I have invited Ishan. Ishan, brother, if you're around, which I'm guessing you are, yeah, I've just sent you an invite, Ishan. Would be great if you can accept it. Right, guys, just give us a few seconds. We will quickly get Ishan on board. I've just sent him a request. I will. All right, I am. Boom. All right, here we go. Just a couple of seconds, guys. I know just technical difficulties of doing this from home, but we have to stay home, stay safe. I have just resent Ishan. I've just resent you an invite, Ishan. Okay, Ishan, if you're watching this, it's saying Ishan is unable to join. So just resend it and I can, or you can just leave this chat, come back on and send me a fresh invite and I will accept your call again. Till then, guys, how's it going? Let's have a quick chat before we get our superstar on. He's just sent me a request. I'm just waiting for him to, there we go. I have just, all right, come on, work. Come on, we're waiting for you, Ishan. Ooh, there we go.
Hi guys, hi, how are you?
How are you, Rockstar? Good to see you, man.
Same here. Thank you so much.
Man, you're looking really fresh. Can I request you to put the phone slightly lower so we can see that beautiful face of yours? All right, that's much better. Ishan, can you hear us clearly, buddy? I think there's some network issue. We'll just wait for him to rejoin. But yeah, I mean, this is not a frozen face I mind looking at because look at that, it's just amazing. We'll just wait for him to come back on. There's a slight lag from your end, Ishan. If you can probably get a little closer to the router. All right, we'll just wait for him to come on. Till then, guys, I'm going to just address this to you. I hope you're staying home, staying safe. Ishan, what you can do, buddy, if you can hear us, is probably, I don't know if you're connected to the Wi-Fi. That would be great if you connect to the Wi-Fi and just get a little closer to the router. Because right now, you're pixelating and moving really slowly, unlike you between wickets, which is just lightning quick. Okay, there's just some lag issue. I'm really sorry about this, guys, but... Oh, there we go. All right, I think we've just lost him, guys. Sorry about that. I promise you, it's not the end of the live. We will get him back pronto. Just some network issues. I believe he will connect very soon. Don't worry about it. In the meanwhile, how are you folks doing? The IPL is back. Something that's kept us so excited for the last few months is finally coming back. I, for one, cannot wait for it to start. And I'm guessing you guys can't either, because we just picked up momentum. Who can forget that amazing innings that Paulie played in Chennai? And all right, I'm just looking at requests. Ishan, my man. All right, we're gonna do this again. Ishan, if you can see this, please, would be great if you can send me another invite. Okay, I'm just gonna resend this. So sorry about this, guys. One of those off chances that is just a little bad with the network. But yeah, all right, Ishan, I see you. I have just sent you another invite. Welcome back, buddy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm much better now that you've joined us.
Can you guys see me properly?
Perfectly, perfectly. Fantastic. All right, so now I can finally give my introduction. First of all, Ishan, thank you so much for taking the time out to join us. Means the world to me to have you on board and hope we have a good next 30 minutes.
Sorry, I can't hear you properly. Wait. I can't hear you properly.
Okay, let me know. Let me know if you can hear me. Can you hear me now?
Wait. 1 second.
Not a problem. MI Paltan is nothing but patience, so don't worry about it. Take your time. Let's get you completely sorted. We're just going to find this perfect spot. Everyone has a perfect spot in the house where they get the best internet connection. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
Amazing. And already the moment you've come, we've got Kunal Pandya just laughing, giving you like 10 laugh emojis. So clearly, you and the Pandya brothers have a really good connection, don't you guys?
Very much. He's a big B for me. He always takes care of me, but he doesn't leave the time when he's supposed to take fun of me, so he won't leave that chance.
Yeah, but right now I'm reading the comments and Krunal said, "Yeah, normal phone kar le." So he's just saying, "But Krunal, if it's a normal call, our 7.5 million and counting fans won't be able to see this amazing chat." So all of you guys, Krunal, Hardik, whoever's watching, welcome. We finally got Ishan with us, and we're not going to let him go till we make him answer everything. So to start off with, the IPL is back. Are you excited to pick up where you left off from? Mumbai found their amazing form. You reach Delhi, you start flexing your muscles. That brilliant game against Chennai, and then all went downhill because of the pandemic. So are you excited now?
See, obviously, it's a good news for all the Mumbai Indians fans and all the IPL fans that now we are back into the game. We are going to Dubai for IPL, and it's a good chance for us also to get into a good position because we left the IPL in a very good note. We won 2 out of 2. So now we know how to play in Dubai because we played like actual champions last season. So let's hope we go there again and we rock the show again.
Well, I know you will hope, but I'm sure, man. अपने पल्टन को पूरा भरोसा है अपने team पे. I'm sure you guys will go and absolutely kill it. Now, I'm going to slightly deviate off Mumbai Indians and tell you that I had the same conversation with Sky last week. And one of the proud moments of both you boys debuted for India very recently, long time coming. How was that feeling of donning the other blue jersey?
It was very special. I must tell you, it was very special because, whenever you get a call from someone that you are selected into the team and you call your parents, you ask them how you guys are feeling. So when I called my parents, they were already crying. So I just told them, okay, guys, I'll call you later when you guys are feeling okay. Just call me back because there's no point talking right now because you guys are busy crying. Everyone was in fact crying at that time. It was a very proud moment for me also because as a youngster, whoever starts playing cricket, they obviously have a dream to play for their country, represent their country and make their team win. And that was the chance for me to go there and shine. I think it went my way. So,
and
obviously very proud.
And my God, did you shine! And I love this about all of our young Mumbai Indians talent that you all play. Also, Krunal Pandey, I think, is looking for an answer from you because he said, "Oh my God, so cute." Do you want to tell us something?
No, he says, I'm just lucky that he's not talking rubbish about me. He's saying that I'm cute. I'm just feeling very good that he's not pulling my leg right here in front of everyone.
आपका अच्छा between Hardik and Krunal, who pulls your leg more?
ऑब्वियसली कृणाल पांड्या, जब हार्दिक पांड्या ही नहीं बचता है कृणाल से तो मैं कहाँ बच रहा।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, भाइयों में भी वो खींचते हैं पैर। लवली।
कृणाल पांड्या does this with everyone in the team. He won't leave a chance.
And you know what? I'll tell you, since the last 3 days since this has been announced, I did not. It's crazy, and I don't know if you know this. Your fan following, Ishan, is ridiculous. I'm not kidding, at least 300 people saying, please ask him to say hi to his fans. So I'm not going to let the chance go. And just, it would be great if you could give a sweet message to all of your fans who are so happy to see you here.
Thank you so much to everyone who is out here right now and whoever is not here and who supports me while I'm batting or playing the game. Thank you so much. And I don't know what else to say. It's just that I feel very good. I feel very confident when I see your support before the game, when I get your texts that do well. It's such a proud moment for me. So just keep supporting, guys. I love you all.
How sweet, heartfelt. Are you back home right now, or are you out and about? Back
No,
home?
back home right now. We hardly get time to meet our parents. So now that we got time, so I'm here with my family.
You know, and it's amazing because आपने अपने mom की बात की and you said how emotional she was. I remember there's a picture sheet you'd put up of you in the Indian jersey. Man,
Yeah.
it's so good. I think it's a thing with mothers, you know, they feel it the most. तो जब उनके
I
आंसू
know.
निकलते हैं, only you can't control yourself. So did you also get a little teary-eyed when you saw your mom so proud of you?
No, to be honest, I did not get teary, but yeah, I felt very, but yeah, I felt very good because that same picture in which my mom was taking the video from the TV, that same picture
Yeah.
was there in our dressing room in Mumbai Indians.
Wow.
So this is what one family is about. They always take care of what our player need because they also know that they are going to be far away from their family for a long time. So they need, at least they need those pictures of them. So
Yeah.
that picture was there in the dressing room.
And I love that because in your team room, I remember Sky, there's a video on the Mumbai Indians page where Sky showed us your team room, and there's an
Yeah,
entire wall with family pictures, right?
exactly. That's what I'm
That
talking
is
about there. My picture was there.
wow. That is, you know, it's so good because you guys, what people don't realize is you guys live in a bubble. It can get difficult for a lot of players. So it's so good to see that the Mumbai Indians team has a family wall. Ki jab bhi yaad aaye, mummy, daddy, wife, children, you always have a wall to look at it and reminisce.
And especially when you're not performing that well. All you need is the pictures on the wall.
But Isha, with you, my friend, not performing is a very, very small phase because you are one of those
Yeah, I know,
batsmen
I know.
who gets over it. And I love the fact that you guys wear your heart on your sleeves, man. You'll come out, pressure hai, nahi hai, dunya ka best bowler hai. You all look at it as, I will get this guy. And I love that. And I think that shows in your style of batting, fielding, bowling, everything. Don't you agree?
I think this comes up with time. जैसे जैसे आप खेलते जाते हो, you get used to the situations like this, जहाँ पे बहुत pressure होता है. And Mumbai Indians, I think यहाँ पे pressure is going to be there. चाहे वो performance का pressure हो, चाहे आपको team जिताना हो, because what we are known as is like a champion team. तो हमें उस pressure situation में जाके करना है अच्छा, वो हमें पता है. But now that we are used to those kind of situations, so we enjoy it. We enjoy those situations जब आता है when the players are looking up to us that he's going to make us win those matches. तो वहाँ पे खेलने को और मजा आता है.
Yeah, you know, 10 years back, if you go 10 years back, if you ever saw a 16 for 3 or a 37 for 4, you'd be biting nails. I'm sure the players would feel a lot more pressure there. Now you guys come out and say, all right, 16 for 4, I got this. And just walk up, and there is always one player, at least for MI, who will step up and perform. And more often than not, it's been you in recent times. And is this something you've developed mentally, physically, in the nets or with the coaching staff?
I think you got too many senior players around you. You got good players from the former players from the management also. जो हमें बताते हैं कि if you think about the situation more, you're not gonna play your game. तो वहाँ पे all we try to do is watch the ball. जो हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि let's just stay in the moment. अगर ball if the ball is in our half, वहाँ पे फिर हम लोग अपने shots खेलने जाएंगे. We won't stop taking our chances. तो यहाँ पे काफी कुछ क्या होता है जब आप प्लेयर्स से बात भी करते रहते हो तो आपको काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है हाउ द सीनियर प्लेयर्स थिंकिंग रोहित भाई भी बोलते हैं जस्ट गो एंड प्ले योर गेम. अगर तू मारने वाले बॉल पे आउट भी होगा तो देयर इज नो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Plus, if I'm batting and I look that I got Hardik Pandya and Kiran Pollard at the back end, तो मेरे पास भी वो लाइसेंस होता है और वो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है. तो इट्स ऑल्सो द डेप्थ इन आवर बैटिंग लाइनअप जो है, तो वो भी एक हमें कॉन्फिडेंस देता है. लाइक आई कैन टेक माय चांसेस एंड इफ वी लूज वन वी गॉट प्लेंटी ऑफ बैट्समैन एट द बैक एंड.
Fantastic. And I think, like you said, first of all, you said, जब मेरे आंख में बॉल आता है, I go and swing and I'm not afraid of getting out. But आपका आंख ही इतना बड़ा है that you can pretty much hit 80% of the balls that are bowled to you, which is just a great thing to see. But of course, you are a player just like a lot of others have their ups and downs. So when you are in your down phase, a couple of innings not working out, is there someone in specific you go to from the MI squad or from the coaching squad to talk it out, see what's happening? Who's your go-to guy for advice?
No, with me it's different. It's not like if I'm not performing, I'll keep talking to someone about my game or anything. I just call my dad and mom. I just talk to them for a while and I feel good and it's okay. I'm good to go.
Wow. So you know one of those key coach tell me Mahila what's happening or how can I improve? You know you've got the ability, you back yourself. All you need is a little pat from the back. जो मम्मी पापा हमेशा देने को तैयार है.
Done. They are more confident than me. They are like, जाके मारो.
and tell me
now you know what's happening. Now you know what's happening. Right now I'm on this live session with you guys. So players there like Avesh Khan and all, they keep on calling me because they know that I'm live here with you guys. So they will disturb me.
Yeah, Avesh Khan
right now continuously.
Right, Avesh, if you're watching, brother, please get off. Don't disturb him right now. Man, we're having the time of our lives. I don't get a chance to speak to him every day. So please, yeah, Avesh, we'll do a live soon if you want. But yeah,
I'm 100% sure many players are involved in this.
षड्यंत्र रची गई है.
पूरी.
But Ishan, you know what? I'm slightly disappointed because I was really hoping the moment you came on, I'd see some bling, man. You've got your bling game sorted. You're always dripping, buddy. You've got your blinged out watches. You've got the earrings. You've got the chains. Aaj it's all empty, huh?
No, it's empty because this one I lost my this earring, and this earring is broken. The lock is broken.
Wow. And how do you lose?
But the chain is there. Don't worry, the chain is there.
Chain is there. I love it. And I'm also.
Sir, this bling is coming from Hardik Pandya. This is something I'm learning from Hardik Pandya.
You've taken me to my next question, saying who's the inspiration behind all this bling? Is it Paulie? Is it Krunal? Because Krunal's off late start getting blinged out. I'm loving the stuff he's wearing also. But mate, what I love with you is you rock it all, man. Whether it's your hot Frank Muller or those really cool earrings or all of that stuff is just always on point.
I think it's inbuilt, but looking at Hardik Pandya, I'm learning more from him. But if you talk about Kiran Pollard, he's from West Indies, but he's an Indian. And Hardik Pandya, he's from India, but he's West Indian.
It's वो अक्षय कुमार करता है ना ये वाला.
Exactly, the same thing.
And it's amazing to see, you know, a junior like you coming up the ranks, just making your name every day. And then you have so many people to guide you, like you said, in the team. Now, Surya Kumar Yadav, last interview told me that he loves sitting on the bus with you because you're just always full of energy and that's what you need before a game. Who's your buddy to sit on in the bus when you're traveling?
I think for every player, they got their specific seat before the match. So I sit at the back seat. So Surya is also sitting there, and all we are talking about is let's go there, we'll do this, we'll do that. आज ये मार देंगे, आज वो कर देंगे. So he feels very good that even if he's in pressure. And I'll tell you one thing about Surya, because he's always chewing his gum. It's not like he loves to do it. He's not showing his, that face. He wants others to feel that he's very confident before going to bat. That's why he's doing that chewing thing all the time.
Love it.
Surya,
and can I and I really want to ask you guys, ये कैसा chewing gum है जो आप लोग 3-4 घंटे चबाते हो? It must be some really cool chewing gum, man.
No, he keeps few in his pocket.
Ah, there we go. Now I want to get to this. Uh, you, like you said, like to be, by yourself when you're slightly bogged down. In terms of now, I asked this to Sky as well. You've had two coaches now with Team India and Mahela, of course, at Mumbai Indians.
Yeah.
Are the styles fairly different, or is there a style of coaching that you are more accustomed to?
Sorry?
Is there a
I'm
style?
reading his message. I'm reading Surya's message.
Guys
He's
in the
saying,
house,
"Ask
guys.
my follow."
Yes, Sky is in the house. Sky, we miss you, man. We had such a great interview. And I'm going to ask Ishan your biryani question very soon. Don't worry about that. But yeah, I was asking you in coaching style, since you've now debuted for India
Yeah.
under the Ravi Shastri and Virat Kohli. And then we've got Rohit Sharma, who just cannot fail as a captain. And then Mahela Jayawardena as your coach. Do you see a distinct difference in styles of coaching?
I think at some point of time at higher level, coaches don't work on your technique. They won't ask you to change your technique or anything. All they will talk about is the mindset, what you need to do when you're getting into bat. So I think there's not such difference कि वहाँ पे जाके मुझे कुछ और सिखा दिया जाएगा या कुछ. They just talk about my mindset, so it's absolutely fine, and I also want to learn from them because those experience, these little things matters a lot for me also, for any player I think at higher level. तो मुझे और अच्छा ही लगता है जान के कि क्या चीज वो कैसे सोचते हैं and what they think about me also, कि मैं कैसा अभी मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. So I get to know more about myself. So it's not a problem for anyone, I think. It's just very good to gain experience from all these big players.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And now tell me, you've been on this stage for a while now, right? You've been there, you've faced all the pressure situations. The Paltan has always had your back, but वो एक moment कब था जब आपको लगा कि यार I've arrived. Now I feel like I belong to the stage. I belong at this pedestal.
I think it was that first year. It was in first year जब मैं मुंबई के लिए आया था. So I did not perform in one or two matches. So I went to Rohit Bhai and I was talking about कि मैं क्या करूँ, how should I keep my mind going, how should I be positive during the game. तो वहाँ पे मुझे उन्होंने बोला था you just go and play your game, क्योंकि उससे पहले मैंने IPL के पहले एक बहुत अच्छा नॉक खेला था एक हॉर्न नॉट ओके के मैच में. तो he was like, I've seen your batting, you have got all those shots, so just go there and play your game, whatever the situation is, if the ball is there, just go for it. तो मैं next
Right.
game जब गया था, the situation was around 10 overs 62 for 2 or 3 we were down. तो वहाँ पे जब मैं गया था I scored 17 balls 50. तो वो वाला situation था जहाँ पे when I felt कि I can just do the same thing what other players are doing. I can also go for big sixes at any point of time. So I actually belong here. That was the time I felt this thing.
And I think big sixes are an understatement. It's just a part of your armory that you unleash at any point. What is your favorite ball? Everyone wants to know this because you've got such a big arc. What is your favorite ball to hit? Like, अगर आपके arc में आपको पूछेगा कि एक best ball कौन सा है, what would that ball be?
Bouncer.
You love you're one of the you know.
Yeah, I love pulling the ball because I don't know, I just love it. I want the bowlers to bowl a bouncer.
I love it. I love it.
Now that I've said this on live, now I don't think they're gonna plan bouncer. Now I have to look for any other shot.
Now I'm gonna have to get to the next question, which is this can lead to a few issues. Now we've heard that you are absolutely the king of FIFA in the Mumbai Indians team. All right,
Yeah.
and there is one player who slightly gives you competition. He goes by the name of Boom Boom Boomrah. Who's the better player? Who's the better
See,
FIFA player?
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. See, I played 2 matches against him. I lost both the matches. I think it's because he's more into planning and playing. He'll keep on passing. He'll keep the possession. And I'm not like that. If I get the ball, I'll just straight away go for the goal. If he snatches the ball from me, it's absolutely fine. But that is the same thing I want him to do. But he's like, he'll keep on passing. He'll get me bored and then he'll score a goal. So with him, it doesn't count.
It doesn't count. I love it.
No.
And I want to know this, since you're so close to the Pandya brothers, what I hear from my sources is that they love the car racing games, both of them.
Yeah.
कौन जीतता है ज्यादा?
मैं जीतता हूँ, गाड़ी मुझसे तेज कैसे चला सकता है कोई? तेज
So
गाड़ी चलाने में कोई कंपटीशन नहीं.
is there any sport in that team room that you're bad at? क्योंकि पूल भी खेल लेते हो आप, हाँ?
हाँ, पूल भी खेलता हूँ. पूल में भी I think I'm one of the best player in the team.
किसी और को भी चांस दिया करो प्लीज.
हाँ, तो Quinton was taking his chances last year. अगर अभी Quinton was taking his chance, I'll do this, I'll do that, but वो आया 3-4 मैच खेला, हार के गया.
Love it, love it, love it. Speaking of QDK, you know, you are also a keeper by profession initially, but you've groomed into the role of an outfielder so well. And we hear James Pament is really, really on your case. How much do you enjoy working with the lovely James Pament?
You know, he's one of the favorite guy in the team. My favorite. He's so funny. He's so fun-loving. He's gonna back you all the time, and he sweats a lot because throughout the practice session, he's the guy who keeps on asking for players to come in and field so that they don't get into any kind of trouble during the match in the pressure situation or anything. So I love working with him. But looking at the keeping point of view, I think Quinton obviously is a very good wicket keeper. Plus he's keeping at international level for a very long time, and he's leading the side also. So obviously, whatever the management thinks about, like if they want Quinton to keep, I'm absolutely fine with it because I know I'm a good fielder and I can do better there also. So मेरे को उसमें कुछ परेशानी नहीं होती है. It's just about the team. जो टीम चाहे, you have to do it. You can't ask say that कि नहीं मैं भी कीपिंग करूंगा. जब टाइम आएगा आपको then you keep. But अगर फील्डिंग important है, you have to go there and put up a good show.
Absolutely, and look, if someone told me without watching you and knowing that you're a wicket keeper, I would not believe them if they said you've just turned into an outfielder. Because look, a lot of people forget a very important run out that you were part of in the 2019 finals, buddy. And that, I mean, that was first of all a rocket arm. And look, that's something I can't believe that if someone told me that Ishan is a wicket keeper and I saw him since the last 2 seasons, I wouldn't believe it for sure. So you've been working really hard, I'm guessing, with the drills and in the nets.
Yeah, obviously मैं फील्डिंग में अगर मुझे चांस मिलता है after my batting or after my fitness session, training session, I just go there and field for 20-30 minutes. I love fielding.
And tell me, does Ishan Kishan, the player, like fielding inside the ring, being a close and field and the covers and stuff, or are you like a long on mid-off kind of guy?
No, because I'm a good sprinter, I love to field बाउंड्री पे, क्योंकि वहां पे क्या होता है कि स्लॉग ओवर्स में आफ्टर 13 और 14 ओवर्स ज्यादातर बॉल उधर आते हैं, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि बॉल मेरे पास आते रहे एंड आई एम जस्ट देयर इन्वॉल्वड इन द गेम, जहां पे मैं या तो रन आउट दे दूं या एक अच्छा कैच पकड़ के गेम चेंज करूं. तो आई लव दोस सिचुएशन, आई लव दोस प्लेसेस, डीप मिड विकेट और एनीवेयर.
Yeah, and you know what I really like about your fielding also is you're so good at cutting out the twos. जब बैट्समैन टेक ऑफ करते हैं फर्स्ट के लिए एंड दे कॉल फॉर टू एंड देन यू सी ईशान रनिंग एट मिड विकेट, यू नो भाई एक ही होगा मोस्टली.
वो एक्सेलरेशन भगवान ने मुझे अच्छा दिया है, मैंने ये मुझे लगता है इनबिल्ट है.
Inbuilt as just
look at Gil's message. He loves to field at third man and fine leg.
I mean, your boys know you, right? The boys know you well.
No, he knows me very well, but he's just trying to pull my leg, and that's not happening.
At least I hope the phone calls have stopped now. At least that one point is gone.
Finally. Now you don't say it, they will again start doing it.
Pick diya. Okay. Now, are you a superstitious guy, Ishan? Are you a superstitious guy? Do you have like certain rituals?
I think you know too many things about this. You're just asking me. I think someone has said this to you already. Yes, I am superstitious, but I'll make sure that Dubai I won't do all that superstition because it just plays with my mind. So I'll stop doing all those superstition and all. Not happening.
But if it works, I mean, we've seen Steven Smith, how he loves to touch so many things. I'm guessing yours is slightly different, but if it ain't broken, don't fix it, man.
Okay, I'll see, because you know I've tried to do this so many times, but end of the day when I go into bed, I keep doing the same thing.
Yeah, see, Shubman Gill is saying extremely superstitious. Asked me, Shubman, I think we're going to have a call after this and talk about Ishan's superstition. We won't expose them here because we have an IPL to win after this.
And
Buddy,
there's
now
no
we're
point asking him. He is very superstitious. You will see a red handkerchief always there in his pocket while he goes into bat. Yeah, so there's no point. He can't say anything about me.
there we go. That's Ishan's drop the mic. You don't come at me if I got stuff on you, buddy. Super, super. All right. Now we're going to move on to my favorite segment, which also is sadly going to mark almost the end of the interview. Wait, we've got Shubham saying something again. Let me just see if I can get his message up. Oh, I'll tell them about the scoreboard superstition. Is that something that we can discuss?
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ ये गलत जगह पे चला जाएगा अगर मैं बोलूंगा. What happened is what these guys think is I don't look at the scoreboard at all while batting. But that's not the truth. I don't look at my personal score while batting.
That's
But I
superb.
know if we are chasing the match, I know how many runs is needed of how many balls. But these guys in the dressing room, अरे यार ये तो देखता ही नहीं है scoreboard, ये chase में करेगा कैसे? So it's not like that.
Okay, all right, cool, cool. All right, now we are going to move on to our final segment called DRS. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you review any decisions. This is the new DRS, dressing room secrets. So, are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
All right. So, let's keep it fiery as quick as possible. And I don't need to tell you to be witty because you're just generally a witty guy. And Shubman is still saying, how can a batsman bat without looking at a scorecard? But if you've got someone batting at a strike rate of 130 consistently, then you need to look at it. क्योंकि जितने भी runs चाहिए ले आएगा अपना भाई. Right. On that note, I got your back, buddy. Oh, Paltan's got your back. We're moving on to DRS, buddy. These are just a set of quick questions.
Yeah.
Are you ready, my friend?
Yeah, I'm always ready.
Let's do this. All right. First one. Your favorite DJ in the dressing room?
I think it's me. Because
You?
previously my favorite was Hardik Pandya, but now his taste has literally changed. So I don't like his playlist anymore. It's me then.
All right. Boom. Next one. One Mumbai Indians bowler you absolutely hate facing in the nets.
Jasprit Bumrah.
Yeah, I think that's just a universe.
And Krunal Pandya.
Okay, I'm sure he'll be really happy.
He bowls so slow that I can't even imagine. I swing my bat twice, then the ball comes to my bat.
I'm sure he's got the people's eyebrow like the Rock up right now. All right. Biggest prankster in the Mumbai Indians dressing room?
There are two, Paul Chapman and James Bond.
Wow, I would never expect Paul Chapman being the biggest prankster in the Mumbai Indians squad.
Oh, you have no idea how big prankster Paul Chapman is.
Amazing. I think once this interview is over, I'm going to take some details from you about what goes on in this amazing dressing room situation. Right. The most shy player in the Mumbai Indians team is?
I think it's not shy. Anyone is not shy there, but I think who we get to see the least is Jasprit Bumrah. You'll only see Jasprit Bumrah while playing match, during the match. That's it. And then he's lost.
That's it. Then he's lost. I think he's just bolstering his arm up that time so he can come and just destroy everyone on game day.
No, he doesn't come in any team party also.
Wow. Okay, great.
And even if he comes, only for 5 minutes.
But show face and
then he'll leave.
Lovely. Okay. Who gives the best post-match speeches?
Best post-match speeches. I think Hardik Pandya is very good.
Oh yeah?
Kunal also is very good in speeches and all.
Nice. I love that. You know, I've seen a couple of videos of Paulie's post-match speeches, and man, that guy talks.
Oh, shit, how can I miss? Yes, Karen Pollard.
Yeah, man. I mean, Paulie talks with a lot of conviction.
He's very good. He's very good.
Right, sweet. So we'll take Hardik and Paulie.
Yeah, Hardik and Paulie.
Boom. But, one cricketing attribute that you would love to borrow from Hardik Pandya.
I think his hitting skills, his big hits, and I
No.
think his hand-eye coordination actually.
Yeah, I mean hitting skills. I think you're at par with that, buddy. I definitely think you're right there. But yeah, hand-eye coordination man is
It's amazing.
off the fantastic answer. Right. This is a funny question. If you had to borrow one of these three things from Hardik, what would it be? Right? One of these three things: clothes, his watches, or his bat. क्योंकि सुना है आपको उसके bat में बहुत ही ज़्यादा you love his bats.
His bats are too much heavy for me, so there's no point taking his bats. And I would take his watches for sure. Because his watches are very much expensive.
Super. Krunal, if you're watching this, please tell your brother to hide his watches because Ishan is coming for them. All right. Your nickname in the Mumbai Indians team is?
Lala.
Lala. Because I read it 3 or 4 times. Krunal keeps calling you, Kaisa hai Lala? How's it going, Lala? Lala, I love it. I love it.
He's the one who calls me with this name, Lala.
All right, so he's the one who's given you this, knighted you with Lala.
Given me this name. Yeah.
Love it. All right, and okay. Again, you've spoken about all these 3 attributes of yours. Tell me, out of FIFA, pool, and what is the third thing you're really good at in the nets? All right, we just give you FIFA and pool. आपने कार रेसिंग भी बोला, लेकिन कार रेसिंग को निकाल देते हैं. We leave that for the Pandya brothers. Between FIFA and pool, which side is stronger?
I think FIFA.
FIFA? Right.
Yeah,
FIFA king it is. FIFA king it is.
But
And
I'm still learning from Jasprit Bumrah.
I think you'll be very happy to know this. So the next time you meet him at a party for 5 minutes, you can discuss how you knighted him the king of FIFA. All right, great.
I will.
And the last question of the evening is if you had to use one word to describe your fellow Jharkhand teammates, Anukul and Saurabh Tiwari sir, what would you attribute to them?
I think they're too much fun, and one word from them is, how do I give them one word?
चलो एक sentence दे दो आप.
Savior.
Give me
I'll say savior.
Fantastic. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing interview, buddy. I'm so happy that I could have done this with you. You truly are a hero, resilient, and I just wish you more and more. And I cannot wait to see you explode for Team India, for Mumbai Indians, and whatever future endeavors are in front of you. So thank you so much for taking the time out.
Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you so much for doing this.
And before we let you go, of course, these are trying and testing times, Ishan, and this is a great platform to talk to your fans and MI fans. Could you give them a message about, just COVID and the situation that we're in, the pandemic, and staying safe?
Yeah, I know. I think, guys, this is for everyone. You guys should please always wear your mask whenever you are stepping out of your door, and there's no need to step out of your door if it's not needed necessarily. So please please keep distance, even if you are playing around everyone in your home, at your home. So just keep that distance and please stay safe, and please pass on these messages to your friends or family members also, because this is very important. I know it's not the right time for any one of us. It's not going good. So now is the time that we stay together, we back each other, and let's help out each other. So please, everyone, stay safe.
I couldn't have put it better myself, guys. Stay home, stay safe. If you absolutely have to get out, wear a mask. And guys, don't forget, there's big stuff coming up very soon. And this man in my frame right now is going to explode. Mark my words. Ishan, thank you so much. I will let you get back to your big love to your family. Please give your mom and dad a big hug, because I love emotional parents. Emo parents. And God bless you. Soon in person.
Soon. Let's meet soon. Okay, done. See you, boss.
You rockstar.
Bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely am lost for words. I'm literally feeling like I played a game and come because there's so much energy that's gone out of me. But guys, please remember, these are trying and testing times. We're trying our best to keep you entertained, but we are also staying home. This is all remotely done. So stay home, stay safe, wear a mask if you absolutely have to get out, and the moment you get a chance, please get vaccinated. My name is Chinmay Sharma, aka Scuba Chinu, and it has been an honor hosting you this evening. I will see you soon. Peace and Ganpati Bappa! Warrior!